What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akia Chic. First of all, before we even get into the video, how are y'all doing? Because I don't think anybody was prepared for this pandemic, and it got crazy quick. For me personally, I couldn't focus. I wasn't motivated for weeks. We switched to online classes, your girl got laid off, and I was just like, okay, this is serious. Comment whatever, you know, whatever you're comfortable with sharing. Just let me know how you've been. If you need me to send any positivity, any prayers, let me know. I'm gonna try to have some fun with this video today. We just gonna slay these face masks. It's been a lot of confusion on if you should actually wear a face mask or if you shouldn't wear a face mask. I think a lot of people now are just wearing them to be safe. I do have like a couple of disposable ones, but I just want to wait because there's only a couple and I don't want to just be wearing them haphazardly, so I'm just gonna keep them. But I got this face mask from a fashion show last year actually, and the designer was a jewelry maker, and she let us wear these masks for aesthetic. I haven't worn this mask since the fashion show, so I found it when I was organizing my room, and I was just like, you know what, this would be cool for a video. So we just gonna slay with this mask and have some fun. Just look in your house, have a photo shoot. Y'all follow me on my Instagram, on my key flicks and my key flicks and my photography. But I've been self-portraiting it up. I definitely recommend everybody to do some self-portraits because it's just fun, you know, being in front of the camera. You don't got nowhere to go, so it's just like, why not I get glammed up for myself and take some photos. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned to the end because I will be doing a giveaway. I will be giving an e-gift card. Actually, y'all just stay to the end of the video and y'all learn more about it. All right, let's go ahead and get into this face mask slayage. All right, guys, so I did my eyebrows and my face makeup off camera. You do not have to do your face makeup. I definitely recommend your eyebrows though, because eyebrows can make or break your face. So I do whatever you want. I just think eyebrows will really put the look all together. So alright, y'all, so I got a couple palettes over here with me. We got the CHIC eyeliner. I also got this Urban Decay palette here. I also have the Patricia Bright palette. So yeah, I'm gonna use these palettes today. I'm gonna start off this look with the CHIC eyeliner palette. I'm gonna be taking edges. Y'all see that? If y'all can't, I'm sorry, but edges. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking that, and I'm gonna just put that like in the creasy area. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just drag it down. Okay. Pro tip from CHIC eyeliner: if you do something on one eye, you gotta do it on the other. So if you mess it up, you gotta mess it up on the other eye. This is a really nice shade. This is a good shade to start. But yeah, edges is good. We like her. We like having edges, you know. We stand. Cause I ain't have no edges at one point in time going on my natural hair journey. So we're thankful that they are taking, you know, they're coming back. So alright, now we're going in with credit. Let's see, can y'all see that? This color right here, and we're gonna put that in the crease. Yes, in the crease area, and then because we want to really deepen up our crease. Yeah, so yeah, just do that, you know, have fun with it. Blend, make sure blending is key. If your eyeshadow be ugly, it's probably because you ain't blended hard enough. You ain't blended out. Trust me, I've had some ugly looks and I'll be like, yo, how theirs look different than mine? Cause I ain't blended. I've been ready to give up. But no, blending is key. Alright, so yeah, we're just going, it looks decent. It's a good base. We're starting good. We're starting really good, guys. So I'm just gonna go for it. We're just gonna jump right into this blue. I'm gonna use the Patricia palette. It's pretty vibrant. It's actually really vibrant for it to be like cheaper in price than like other high-end brands. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about with this pan though. Okay, y'all see? Do y'all see it? This one. right here just fell out on me. It kind of hurt my feelings. It kind of did. I just opened the palette one day trying to give it a shot, you know, and then that happened. All right, so we're gonna go in with the color No Boo. Oop, can't really cause I have boo. Yep. Ooh, that is, y'all see that? Can y'all see that? That's pigment right there, hunty. That's, yeah, like Patricia came to play. So I'm gonna put this all over the lid. I don't have no lid space at all, so we really gotta just bring up the color a little bit more so we know that she's there and she's, you know, here. With Ocean Deep, it's a really cute little blue right above No Boo right here. I'm gonna go in with that, see if we can make this blue pop a little bit more, you know, give it some life, because it's looking really sad. So yeah, she's also pigmented. Y'all see that? Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, that is the blue I should have used, most definitely. I was like, you know what, nope, we wanna keep it subtle. Nope, we don't keep things that are right here. We go all in, all out. That is a nice blue. That is a really nice blue. We stand this blue. We stand Ocean Deep. See, it's a really good palette. It really is. I just hate that the eyeshadow broke, you know? So we looking good. We looking good. I'm excited now. I'm excited. So usually when you're doing bold, look at me trying to give tips, but usually when you're doing like bold looks like this, you would want to do your face makeup after. But you know, I went all in. I was just like, we don't care about rules and regulations. We're just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna just try to blend out this a little bit more. I honestly like that I went with that darker color before, because it's just like, it got me excited. It got me excited for the lighter blue. I wouldn't have got excited if I didn't use that darker blue. And I think it was a nice little effect anyway. So I'm gonna see what this Urban Decay palette talking about. So we got some blues up in here too. Let's see. I'm gonna go with the lighter blue. It's called Heavy Water. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. That's good. It's really good. It's a nice blue, even lighter than the Ocean, whatever it was called. We're getting somewhere. We are actually getting somewhere. Look at it. It is time to start blending out these edges. We're gonna blend out the edges, cutting out where that blue and that red meet. I'm really feeling this look, y'all. I'm really like out here doing blue looks, and really pretty too. Really pretty. Does anybody else nose run when they're doing their makeup? My nose always running, like it never fails. No matter who does my makeup, no matter what type of makeup, my nose always starts running. It is so weird. All right, guys, that's looking good. We're liking this. We support this. We support this look. We really about to look slayed with these masks. All right, I lost the makeup brush I was using. The Urban Decay palette, and I'm gonna use that same blue just to add a little bit more color onto the lid. We're giving real ocean. We're giving real beach. We're giving real Florida water. I miss Florida. I miss it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this deeper blue. Yes, we're gonna go in with that and just blend that a little bit around the lighter blue. Just a little bit. Just so, you know, she knows she's there. She know why you're here. So since we are going to be wearing a face mask, let's do a face mask check. See what we're looking like with the mask on. Whew, I don't know if I'm wearing this properly. Alright, so mask check. Okay, it's obviously wrong. Apologize if I'm wearing this mask wrong, y'all. I really am. Alright, so I'm thinking we're gonna bring up the intensity by adding the blue on the lower lash line. Yeah, we're gonna add eyeliner, we're gonna add lashes, we're gonna give it the full effect. There's this color called Silver Burn. Can I find it? It's like right here. It is like a silver. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, y'all. Sorry, my video recording skills are not there yet, but this is like a silver purple beautiful color. We're gonna add that on top of already existing blues. Let's see. Yeah, let's try that. It's real subtle, but it's a nice little effect. I ain't gonna hold you. Ooh, it's nice. This is gonna be real prom makeup. Cause oh yeah, it would be prom season right now. Dang, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry if you're in high school. I'm sorry you're not getting prom. Hopefully they can postpone it or something. I'm just gonna make sure everything's blended and cute. I'm gonna go in with that first blue I used. Well, no, not the first. Well, should I use the first? No, I'm gonna go in with the ocean blue color, Ocean Deep. I think that'll be a really nice color to have on the lower lash line. I am a tear. Alright, yes. Hello. I don't know why I just ran. Got some food though. That'll be my treat. So yeah, we're just really packing this blue on, trying not to tear up. So I think I'm gonna just go in and go hard with this liquid eyeliner from, maybe it's Maybelline. It's a little sample one. I think they gave it, Ulta gave it to me for free for whatever, buying some, I don't know. Look, if they got free gift on there, I'm definitely, Ulta be having like a lot of discounts for free gift stuff. And I'll be like, you know what? I'm trying to get this free gift. So if I had to spend 15, if I was originally coming here to spend 5, gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just going with this eyeliner. Milk makeup mascara, Kush makeup mascara. Finishing touches will be put some highlight in my brow. And yeah, so now I'm gonna add lashes, and then we're gonna do the big reveal with the mask. Alright guys, that is how you slay in a face mask. Put you on something cute, put your hair up, put your jewelry on, and yeah, you ready to slay in your house. You ready to slay at the grocery store. So if you made it to the end of this video, I'm trying to participate in my giveaway. So I'm having a 2,500 subscriber giveaway. That means once I reach 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away an e-gift card. The e-gift card will be $25. I'll have the companies that You can choose from listed in my description bar below. Official rules are you have to be subscribed to me, you have to follow me on Instagram at CHIC. If you want a little bonus little entry, I guess you can follow me on my photography page, which is Keep Flicks. And yeah, and comment down below which company you want the giveaway to be. I know it's definitely gonna be Amazon, Target, Walmart, but yeah, I'll have them listed down below so you can just decide which one you want to choose from. And also comment that you want to be entered, that way I can just know the people who actually want to be put in the giveaway. Guys, that is in this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Just remember, it's like always chic. Alright, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.